If you're new to Lark Player, here's what you should know. Lark Player is great for organizing and playing music, but it does not download songs from the internet. It only plays audio files that are already saved on your device. To use it, you'll need to download MP3 files from trusted sources first. Once those files are saved on your phone, Lark Player automatically detects them and adds them to your library. Getting started is simple. Open the Google Play Store, search for Lark Player, and install or open the app. Inside, go to the top menu and tap Songs to view your local music. Any MP3s you download, whether from YouTube to MP3 Tools, Spotify where allowed, or other reliable sites, will appear automatically and be ready for offline playback. Lark Player is a free music and video player for Android and iOS. There's an optional premium subscription that removes ads, but the core features are completely free. Users like it for its ease of use, offline performance, and good audio quality. One common complaint is that edited song details like artist or album sometimes don't save properly, but most users still rate the app highly. Overall, Lark Player is a solid free option for enjoying your local music and videos offline. If this helped, like and subscribe, and enjoy your music.